Actually, uh, as I early told you, that I struggled too much. I struggled too much, and me and my family suffered a lot when I got that job in government sector. Alhamdulillah, I'm close to you can say gazetted. I can sign any document in my office also. At that time, when I was struggling and I was working too much hard to get a job for my family, for my mother, that time prepared me much more. The circumstances, people, relatives, they pushed me, they tried to push me back, but I remained positive. I struggled, I worked hard. Allah granted me, Alhamdulillah, everything that I wished in the past. So that's all.
That was the positive change.
That yes.
Okay, thank you.